How to read charts on Forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to read charts on Forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To read charts on Forex.com, first of all open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, search for Forex.com and log in into your account. Once you are logged into Forex.com, go to Market section and select any currency pair or assets like Euro USD or Euro JPY. Once you select the assets, this will open its price chart. By default, you can see candlestick chart, where each candle shows the price movements. Just zoom into it to see the candle movement. A green candle means price went up during that moment, and a red candle means it went down. Use the time frame selector to view short terms like 1 minute or 15 seconds. Just simply tap on this day icon and select the time frame according to preference. If you want to change it to 3 minute or 5 minute, select it. And that's how we're going to change your time frame on Forex.com. You can also use technical indicators such as moving average or RSI by clicking indicator button on the chart. Just simply tap an indicator and select the indicator name according to preference. Pinch or zoom in out to view past prices movement or spot patterns. Look for trend support and resistance level to make smarter trading decisions. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.